The 1956 Ford F-100 has long been celebrated as one of the most iconic pickups in American automotive history. Originally built as a rugged farm workhorse, this classic has now been transformed into a Restomod masterpiece, a blend of vintage soul and modern performance. With a price tag of $179,900, this custom truck represents far more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling work of art designed to turn heads and deliver exhilarating drives. What strikes you first about this truck isn't the sound of its V8, but its stunning root beer bronze paint, a deep, liquid-like finish that glistens under the sun. At the front, a discreet protective film shields the nose from rock chips, preserving the immaculate shine. Walk around the truck, and the craftsmanship becomes clearer. A forward-tilting hood reveals something extraordinary beneath, while aftermarket headlights and a reimagined chrome grille fuse old-school charm with modern precision. The bed of the truck is another showpiece, dressed in polished wood with a custom fuel door integrated seamlessly into the planks. Flush, single-pane door glass eliminates the traditional vent windows, giving the F-100 a smooth and sleek profile. Sitting on 18-inch Budnik aluminum wheels wrapped in sticky Pirelli P0 tires, this truck carries itself with the stance of a modern performance machine, not just a classic collectible. Inside, the interior is a luxurious mix of brown and tan leather stitched with precision that rivals high-end custom cars. The power windows are cleverly disguised with crank-style switches, an ingenious nod to nostalgia. An Idedit tilt steering column pairs with the Budnik split-grip steering wheel, while digital gauges glow brightly behind, keeping the driver fully in tune with the beast under the hood. Every detail counts here. Even the pedals and knobs are crafted from billet aluminum. Under the hood sits a 351 cubic inch Windsor V8, tuned to deliver 403 horsepower. With Edelbrock heads, a Holley 4-barrel carb, custom valve covers, JBA headers, and a gleaming polished alternator, the engine bay is as much a visual showpiece as it is a powerhouse. A modern aluminum radiator and electric fan keep it cool, ensuring this nearly 70-year-old truck thrives on both highways and hot city streets. Power is sent through a Ford AOD 4-speed automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 gears, ensuring both durability and spirited performance. But the upgrades don't stop there. This F-100 rides on a C4 Corvette front suspension with adjustable coilovers, rear torsion bars, and rack and pinion steering. Paired with four-wheel power disc brakes, the truck handles like a true driver's machine, capable of cruising effortlessly or carving corners with confidence. The Borla exhaust system with X-pipe completes the experience, delivering a refined yet commanding note through its side exit tips. It's aggressive enough to demand attention, but smooth enough to enjoy mile after mile. Underneath the surface, the chassis and underbody are as meticulously finished as the exterior, showcasing the quality of this frame-off restoration. At $179,900, this isn't just a pickup, it's a statement piece, bridging the gap between classic heritage and modern innovation. Whether destined for show trophies, Sunday backroad cruises, or simply soaking up admiration at every stoplight, this 1956 Ford F-100 Restomod proves that history can evolve without losing its heart. From a farm workhorse to a custom driver's dream, this truck is living proof that timeless design paired with engineering excellence creates something unforgettable.